Good morning, everyone. And today we are doing a quiz review for 10.1 and 10.2. This will likely have to be split into two videos as there are a fair number of questions and some of them require a little bit of explanation. So let's begin. For this first question, I am going to mark the angles I want you to find. Here, 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 and here. So please find out these missing 5 angles. Pause now, give it a try. Now that you've had a chance, let's look at the answers. Sorry. Angle B, angle ABC is 56 degrees. Now the reason it's 56 degrees is because angle ABC and angle ADC are both inscribed angles. They look different, but they both have the same endpoints, which are A and C. Therefore, ABC and ADC are inscribed angles, and they are both equal. Same thing then for BCD. BCD has the same endpoints, right there, as BAD. Because they're inscribed angles with the same endpoints, the angles must be equal. So this one has to be 34. On this one's a little bit trickier. The first question is, the first angle we're going to find is we've got our central angle right here, ACB. This is the central angle. It has to be double the inscribed angle. So I multiplied the inscribed angle by 2 to give me 110. If this angle is 110 and we are given that these two lines are equal, that means this is an inscribed angle. And in an inscribed it's an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle, that means that these two legs are equal and these two angles are also equal. So if there's 110 for the main angle, there's 70 degrees left to split between those two angles. So I go 70 degrees divided by 2, and then I get 35, which is why both of these angles are 35. That one's a little bit tricky, and there are a lot of isosceles triangle questions that come up in this, so that's definitely something to watch out for. All right, here, for this question, I need you to find the length of CD right here. So please pause now and give that a try. Now that you've had a chance, let's look at the answer. The answer is 5.7. Now, how did we get there? Well, we're told that AB was 8 units long, and if it's split, if this is the midpoint, that means these are split into 2 equal angles, or 2 equal side lengths. So if this is 4 here, and that's 4 as well. We're also told that the radius here was 7 degrees, so if the radius there is 7 degrees, this radius here must be 7 as well. Now we have a right triangle that we can use. 4 squared plus b squared equals 7 squared, and we can do that to find this missing side length. We solve that, we get b is 5.7. Next question. Here I need you to find the angle ECG right here. I also need you to tell me the length of EG and CG. Please pause now and give that a try. The answer is ECG is 90 degrees because it is an inscribed essential angle, which is double the inscribed angle. So if this was 45, multiplied by 2 is 90 degrees. Here, EC is the radius, is 8. So that means that CG is also the radius, so that must be 8 as well. Now we've got a right triangle here, and we can use that to find this missing side length. 8 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared. We solve that out, take the square root of 128, and we get c is 11.3. We will save we're running out of time on this video, so we will save the remaining 4 questions for part 2. We'll see you there.